everyone, welcome to Viva la Kitchen. Today we're going to be learning how to make cod. Cod can be made in many different ways, but today we're going to make it quick, healthy, and easy. Basque style, or as they would say in Spanish, a la Vizcaina. This dish is very popular in all of Spain, especially the Basque region, and it is very easy to make at home with simple ingredients, and I'm sure you're going to enjoy it because it's absolutely delicious. So let's see what those ingredients are. So this dish, it cooks very quick. So because it does, maybe 10-15 minutes maximum, I recommend you do the prep beforehand. So as you can see in the ingredients, we already have our onions chopped, our tomatoes chopped, our garlic's ready to go. Everything's all set. So once we have it all set, we're gonna wanna go ahead and heat up our pan with some oil. As you have that oil heated up, we're going to want to include our onions. And as you've got those onions cooking, we're also going to want to throw in our garlic. Now I recommend having this on medium heat. Don't get it too high. Let the onions cook for about 2 to 3 minutes with the garlic. And while you have that, I also recommend that you heat up a smaller pan of water, so that way we can get our potatoes cooking. And that you're going to want to have on high heat. Now, as you heat the onion for 2 to 3 minutes, you're going to get a very aromatic taste of the onion and garlic, and it's absolutely delicious. It already makes you hungry once you're smelling it. So it's been about 2 minutes, and you can kind of start seeing the onion change color, and it's getting more translucent. Now is the time where we're going to want to include our tomatoes. And we're also going to want to throw in our tomato sauce. So we'll let it sit for about a minute. And as we let it sit, we'll also add in our olives. So it's been about a minute. We're going to now include our cod. As we put in our cod, I like to always give it some seasoning. In this case, I'm going to use today some garlic salt. And last but not least, some fresh paprika powder. And the secret ingredient to all of this, believe it or not, is a little bit of wine, just a touch of white wine, oof, and it gives it that amazing taste. So we're gonna also include that in our sauce and our cod, and we're going to cover it and let it cook for 10 minutes. So it's been exactly 10 minutes, so what we're gonna wanna do is we're gonna take out our potatoes from the stove, turn off all of the burners, and we're gonna go ahead and drain our potatoes, and then we're gonna add them into the cod dish. And last but not least, we're also going to want to incorporate our roasted red pepper. So there you have it, quick, healthy, and easy how to make cod a la Vizcaina, as they would say in Spanish, or Basque style from Spain. It smells delicious, or delicioso as we would say in Spanish. And as you can see, I just put a little bit of a garnish of parsley on the top. It's very optional, but it gives it a nice little boost. So if you liked what you saw, please give me a like, subscribe, ring that bell, share it with your friends and family. Thank you and enjoy!